are making
Pancake!
yeah, banana pancake. So joining here with me is Amira. So
I'm a baby Amira.
yeah, she's baby Amira. So this is a very easy and quick pancake that you and your family will love this. Well, this is a very simple recipe. We just like have 4 ingredients. So we have here the banana. So if you have overripe, that's perfect for this. So, okay, stay there for a while, baby girl. Okay, and then so we should put this banana here. So to repeat, guys, so we have this banana, milk,
And flour.
and what is this? Flour. So, and this baking powder and a little bit of vanilla extra, so make it smells good. So, okay, what are we making, Amira? Banana pancake. Okay. First is we should mash the banana using this masher. Okay, mash like this. Okay, you have to mash it and like that. Mash. And it's okay if there's a little bit of chunkiness, so that you still taste the banana. And wait for a while. Don't get too excited. So it's up to you how you want your banana. If you want it so fine, then mash more. But I want it a little bit chunkiness in there. So this is good enough. So now make a little well, and then we have to mix what are we going to mix, girl?
This flour.
The flour. Okay, flour. Okay, mix the flour slowly. Okay. Okay, here we use a 1/2 cup of flour. Okay. And this one, we just use this a little bit of baking powder. So maybe just like 1/4 teaspoon, just to add a little fluffiness. And then, so we should combine all the dry ingredients first.
Milk.
No, you have to mix it well before putting the milk, baby girl. Okay, so you have to put a little bit of mix. And then, so just 1 banana is enough for like 2 person.
This is 4.
Yeah. If you're really an eater,
This is
so
4, Mommy.
maybe you need more. Okay, so we added your milk. Okay, add your milk. Okay. So for your milk, guys, it depends on how much the consistency of your mixture. And then you have to mix it together.
What else, Mommy? I need eggs.
No, this time no more eggs. It's just 4 basic ingredients. Okay?
Mom, yes, buy eggs.
No. So just 4 ingredients that you'll enjoy.
It's mash and mix.
So your milk, you can use 1/2 cup of milk too.
I'm mixing the banana. No, it's my turn.
Okay, it's your turn to mix. So, to repeat, guys, the ingredients is only 1 banana, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1/2 cup of milk.
Banana.
We usually use fresh milk.
Mash and mix.
Yeah. our 3.3% milk. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, to make it floppy. And a drop of this vanilla to add more aroma. Okay, so mix well, and then when we fry it, we have to heat the pan first, and then put like 2 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, and then fry it until golden brown or whatever you desired, and that's it. And then after that, if you want to just plain banana pancake, you can eat it, and or else if you want a pancake syrup, yeah, it's up to you guys. So this is our easy peasy recipe for our banana pancake that surely your kids will love it too. No need to complicate when you're cooking, especially
No, it's my turn.
yeah, the kids also.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Okay, you have to say please, and you have to be nice. Yeah, and you have after you mix after you mix all the ingredients together, and the your mixture is ready. Just set aside for like a few minutes.
It's
and
my
then
turn.
you can cook it.
Please.
Okay. So Mira skip mixing it. Yeah, she likes to join with me, and she wants also to participate in any chores, but I think mostly she likes being with me when I'm doing in the kitchen. Yeah, and she called that this kitchen is mommy's kitchen. You right?
Yeah.
Yes. And do you want to be it? What do you want to be one day?
Chef.
A chef. Wow. So you will be the chef. All right. And what are you gonna make for mommy and daddy and Riker? Because you're the chef. Huh? One day?
A pancake.
A pancake. A very yummy pancake. So, okay, it's time for us to cook. See ya.
See ya.
So that's that one. I just put a little bit of butter. Yeah. And one is golden brown. You can flip it up and do the other side. So look at how fluffy it is. And I want it that big. And also do it a little at a time, but I want it just once. Yeah. So I already flipped and did the other side. So look at how the consistency of mine is golden brown, and so that it won't burn. So you watch out and just do the medium fire. Okay. Good. Looks yummy. So we're just doing this for like a few minutes, and we're done. So our pancake is ready. So this is my finished product. Ready to serve.